Hello friends, Tyler here, optician from SportRx, and I'm going to talk to you about Wiley X safety prescription glasses with an adapter, what that means and why it matters to you. But first, let me say, if you find this content to be interesting or valuable in any way, shape, or form, go ahead and click that subscribe button, because then it's going to be delivered right to you. You can see my face anytime it's showing up, and you'll find out sooner than anyone else. Unless they're also subscribed, then it'd be the same time, but do that. And comment down below if you feel like I didn't cover enough information in this and you have questions, because we will answer your questions. Also, you can call us. We're all opticians. You can get a live optician on the phone and we'll walk through whatever options you may need and what might best serve you. We would love to hear from you. Okay, so this is the Wiley X collection that is available with an adapter. I'm gonna start with the models first. We have the Wiley X Gravity. This is a really good option for, I think, most faces. It's a good medium to large fit. We have the Enzo. This is more of a large fit. And then we have the Boss. And this is more of a large to extra large fit. So keep that in mind. Slightly different frame designs, but for the most part, the reason you might want to choose one frame over another would be more for fit than anything else. Okay, so I have right here a version with the adapter and I have a version without the adapter. Obviously this comes with an adapter, but we have it here to contrast, to show you what it looks like without the adapter. So the Gravity with adapter, you can see that extra piece that's in the frame compared to this that just has the lenses directly in the frame. So what this is, it's an extra piece that's put in the frame that allows for a flatter lens to go in this more wrapped frame. That is important for stronger prescriptions, because stronger prescriptions need flatter lenses. Not only is it important for the manufacturing process that it be flatter, but also distortion. If your prescription is really strong, even if they can physically make it fit in the frame, there's going to be a ton of distortion. You're going to have what people describe as a fishbowl effect. It's just not going to be usable and you're going to hate it. So Wiley X came up with an excellent solution, which is this adapter that allows a flatter lens to go in the more wrapped frame. Kind of a best of both worlds in my opinion. You're getting the coverage and the comfort of a more wrapped design, but the downside of the distortion that would otherwise be there is taken care of because you got that adapter. Really a good option. There are a lot of you people who are looking for a good prescription pair of safety glasses. If you don't know Wiley X, everything Wiley X is safety rated. Fully, whatever. It's gonna work where you need that safety rated lens for your work. It's gonna work if you want a good pair of safety lenses for shooting. If you're a motorcycle rider, these are awesome also because they have the foam, cuts out that dirt, dust, and debris from getting into the backside of the frame and into your eye. That really is it. It's a matter of, if you have a strong prescription and you like these more wrapped frames and you need a safety frame, go for the Wiley adapter because it's gonna be awesome for you. Hopefully this was good information. Again, comment down below if there's any questions I didn't answer and you wanna hear more from us. We're gonna get back to you. Thank you for watching.